Okay, so in the bigger box you have this thing here, you have this thing, the two cushions, the manual, two of these rods here, and then these screws here, right? So we are going to start making it now. The first thing. So the first thing, notice these rods. You want these rods to be in vertical, right? Next, I want you to note one thing, right? Once you make these rods vertical, like this, right? There are holes. They are only on the one side. There are no holes on this side. So you want the whole side to be at the bottom. And what you want to do is, you want to place it inside this thing here. So the holes are for these screws. So, this is the way I am doing it. Placing it inside here. Next, you want to take the screws and start connecting them. Right? 4 screws. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Next you want to make the one more big one, right? You have the same, the way you have this one, you also have another one for the second seat. You want to assemble the second one as well, exactly the same way. Okay. Next, notice there are 4 of these, right? 2 in each box, but you just, to make a 2-seater sofa, you just need 2 of them, right? I have connected the first one. I'm going to show you how to connect the other one, right? So I connected one on this side, only on the one side, and right next to it I'm going to connect this one here. So I'm going to take 2 screws and put them from this side here inside this thing and connect it like this. Okay. So I've connected one here and one on this side. These 2 are extra. I don't need it for the 2-seater sofa. Keep it on the side. Next, I'm going to bring this here down like this. Notice there are just 3 legs. There is no leg on this corner. And same is true for this one, where there are 3 and there is no leg here. So, next step is I'm going to open the square shaped box, and from that, basically I'm going to get the following things. 2 of these and this whole screw set, right? And what you want to do is you want to pick up the first one here and you want to place it here like this, and then same on the other side, where you want to take the first one and place it on this side here. Okay. Next, you want to take the screws out from this box where you got these screws here, and now you just want to connect the screws. Align it a little bit so that it's right on the hole, right above the hole, and then start putting the screws in. Okay. So I put the 2 screws here, right? 2 more screws here, right? And then 4 more screws on the other side. So I have made both of them, and I'm now aligning both of the next to each other, right? You can see how they are now aligned very, very close to each other, right? Now you want to take these 2 out and you want to connect them. Connected. You can also use, now they only ask you to connect 2, but in my case I have 4 of them, right? So I'm just going to use all the 4 of them to connect all of them nicely to each other, right? So connected and connected, right? Now what happens is the whole thing is connected. Now I'm just going to put the cushions in. Okay, so I'm going to put the cushions now. All you have to do is place them. Notice there is like a zipper on one side, right? So you just want to make sure that the zipper part comes behind in the back side, right? So, yep, connect it and put. I'm going to put the other cushions here as well, like this, and put 2 more cushions, and now the whole thing is ready.